This is your foundational meditation. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or brand new, this is always a beautiful space to come back to remember to come back to present moment, which is where your body lives. To remember that it's okay in meditation if you have thoughts. It's about watching where the thoughts carry you, for how long they carry you, what happens inside the body as they carry you, and finding your way back to your breath, back to your body, back to this moment, in this room, where you're sitting, where you're safe, where everything will always work out, even when it feels like it doesn't or won't. Back to your heart. So if you're not already, go ahead and close your eyes, taking a deep breath in through your nose. Gently hold at the top. Open your mouth and exhale an audible sound, an audible sigh, signaling to the body and the nervous system that you are entering into a relaxed state. Again, in through the nose, soft hold at the top as you gently open your mouth to exhale, fully exhaling any old, stagnant, stuck energies residing in your lungs, residing in your body as you inhale fresh, new oxygen, full of white, healing, beautiful light, permeating every cell of your body. Exhaling out any of the old, sending it off with love and gratitude for getting you this far. Find a breathing pattern that feels good for you, that you can be intentional with. Feel the air come through your nose and wash down your throat and fill up your lungs and your belly. Feel the exhale wash all the way back through your throat and out your mouth into the room. And picture it going back to the heavens, back to God, back to Mother Earth, to be renewed as you are always being renewed in each moment. Notice how you feel sitting here, what judgments are coming up of me, of you, of the to-do list, of the thoughts that you don't have time, and watch it all. Give it gratitude for trying to keep you safe and keep you on top of things. But remind that part of you, they're not needed in this moment. Tell yourself, your body, and that part of you that we're safe to go deeper. We're safe to exhale deeper into this moment, trusting that the inhale will automatically happen as it always does. Letting the rhythm of your breath be your unique signature and rhythm in this world. Maybe you're feeling your heartbeat or your body gently begin to rock. Just be with that rock, be with that beat, be with your breath. And as the thoughts start to come up and take over, just watch where they take you. See if you can be an observer of the thought and where it wants to take you, versus the participator in riding the roller coaster of the thought. Keep watching, keep breathing. Thoughts are not bad. They're just the thing the mind does. Start to bring that thought back into this now moment. Picturing yourself putting it aside the riverbank, or giving it to the waves coming up on the beach to take back out into the ocean. And stay with your breath. Notice if you're getting fidgety as you might be reaching some edges of discomfort in sitting, in breathing, in stillness. And that's okay. It's just feedback for where your edges are. Take another deep breath in. Let it be a cleansing breath all the way through, and exhale out, making any sounds that you need of any frustrations or annoyances or even just deeper relaxation. As you continue back to your perfect rhythm of breath, start to watch any other thoughts that come up and notice if you can catch the space in between each thought. From where one thought ends into another begins. Breathe into that micro moment. Breathe into the micro moment in between the inhale and the exhale. We're going to gently focus on something that we desire to feel or experience in our life. It can be something small like a free coffee, just something that would feel fun to receive, something that doesn't have a lot of pressure around it. What is that thing or that experience? And as you breathe, I want you to let your mind use its imagination. And it's okay if you can't see it all clearly, but as you see the desire coming into your experience, you don't have to know how. Notice the feelings that happen in your body as you're maybe walking up to the register and somebody's already paid for your coffee, or that perfect amount of money comes in to take you on that mini vacation, or that course is paid for, free and clear. Whatever it is, let the mind do what it's meant to do by imagining and playing in the realm of imaginary, because it's what we imagine that we bring in, what we experience, what we manifest. So let your creative side have fun here. It doesn't matter how simple, and notice any judgments you're having of yourself, of it not being a good enough want or desire, or not being good enough at imagining it and feeling it. Stay with it. Maybe you'd like to receive some flowers or lunch at work. Feel the feelings in your body as this is happening in your imagination. Start to give gratitude for the way in which it's all happening and how good this feels. Thank you. Thank you. This is so fun. ahead and take another breath and let it go, giving gratitude for it already being done, holding faith that it will be delivered in the perfect time for you. Feel where your sit bones are sitting on this chair or couch or bed. Gently, consciously lick your lips and swallow. Take another breath in. Audibly exhale. Thank yourself, thank your body, thank your spirit, all for showing up for yourself in this moment of more stillness, of more intention, of more presence. Set an intention that the rest of your day, or as you go into sleep, I am open to being delighted and surprised and blessed. I'm open to feeling fully and deeply supported. I am safe to receive and live in a good, loving life. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and come back to the room. I recommend you take a few minutes to journal your experience, journal the observations of the thoughts, journal any judgments, journal any excitements. Until next time, friends.